8th class student, exercise 3A, squares and square roots. First question is first part. First part, do this type. Double 441. Let us find the prime factor. 3 divided by 3 1 जा 3, 3 4 जा 3 7 जा 3 4 जा and 3 9 जा 7 49 7 1. Write the factor 3 into 3, 7 into 7. Write the prime factor. Make the pair. Pair with be two same prime number. Number is pair is complete. So this is a perfect square. Number question, first part is complete. Second, all part do this type. Sixth part is number is 9075. Do the factor. Factor should be prime factor. 9075 divided by 5, 18 and 15. 5 divided by 5, 3 जा 15, 6 जा and 3 जा 3 1 2 1 divide by 11, 11 1 जा 11. Write the factor and 11 into 11. Make the pair, first pair, second pair, third pair not complete. So this is not a perfect square. Perfect square number. This is not a perfect square number. Question number 1. You can do this type, make the pair. If pair is complete, so perfect square. Not complete. Question number 2. Question number 2. First part is 1225. Do the factor. Divide by 5. 5 2 जा 10, 2 5 4 जा 20, 5 4 जा 20, 5 9 जा 45, 7 7 जा 49, 7 1. Prime factor is, write the 5 into 5, 7 into 7. Make the pair 5 square into 7 square. Number is, write in bracket 5 into 7. After multiply 35 square. That number is equal to 35. Question number 2. Fifth part is 8281, 8281 equal, do the factor 82 81. Divide by prime number, not divisible by 2 and 3, not divisible by 7, 5. Look at the 7. 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 7 2 जा 7 1 जा 7, 50, 52. Do the factor 7 1 जा 7. You can divide also. 7 1 जा 7, 1 2, 7 1 जा 7, 5 8, 7 7 जा 7 8 जा 56, 2 1, 3 जा. After divide 1183. Now 11 divide by 7, 7 1 जा 7, 7 after 4, 7 6 जा 7 9 जा 169 multiply is 13 into 13. Write the factor 7 into 7, 13 into 13. We may write 7 square into 13 square. Write in one box 13 into 7 into 13. After multiply 91 square. That number is equal to 91. Second question is complete. Third question is first part. Write the number 3675. Do the factor 3675 डिवाइड बाई 5, 5 7 जा 35, 5 3 जा एंड 5 5 जा, डिवाइड बाई 5, 5 1 जा 5, 2 5 4 जा 5 7 जा, 3 4 जा एंड 9 जा, 7 into 7, write the factor, 3 into 7 into 7, 3 into 5 into 5, write the descending ascending order, make the pair fifth and 5 and 7 complete, 3 is not complete. You complete the pair, what multiply by 3? So then you write the multiply by which number, add the multiply by 3, number make a perfect square. New number will be 3675 multiply by 3. After multiply 3 5 ja 15, 7 ja 21 22, 2 के 2 3 6 ja 18, 20, 3 3 ja 9 and 11. That number is, new number will be that is square 11025 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7, make the pair 3 square and 5 square and 7 square. After multiply 3 5 and into 7, 105 square. So that new number will be 105. Question number first part is complete. Second part, third part is 3332. Do the factor 33 3 2 divide by, add 5 divide by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 2 6 ja 2 1 ja, 11 no divisible by 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 2 6 ja and 2 6 ja, divide by 2, 8 3 and 3. After 8 double 3, and 3 6 18 3 3. Divide by 8 double 3. Divide is 7 1 ja 7. 1 carry 3. 7 1 ja 7. 6 9. After 7 7 1 ja 7. 7 9 ja 49. 19 is prime number. Write the factor 7 into 7 and 19. 1 not complete. So multiply by 19. 19 number make a perfect square. New number will be double 3 into 19. 19 2 ja 38. 3 carry 19. 3 ja 50. 66. 19 3 ja 50. 19 2 ja 38. 3 carry 19 3 ja 57. 3 6 carry 19 3 ja 50. 57. 63 and 63. That be square of 60 double 308 will be 2 into 2 and 7 into 7 and 19 into 19. Write the 2 square into 7 square into 19 square. Do the multiply, put into 2 into 7 into 19. After multiply 38 multiply by 7. 7 5 ja 56. 26. 2 double 6. That is number who square the new number. Question number 4 is write the as question number 3 but multiply in place of divide. Question number 4 is first part. First part is write the number 1575. Do the factor 1575 divided by 5. 5 3 ja 5 1 ja and 5 1 ja. Divide by 5 6 or 3. 3 21. 3 is 7. So write the factor 3 into 3, 5 into 5 and into 7. Make the pair will complete 3 and 5. 7 is not complete. So write the divide by 7 number, divide by 7, make a perfect square. Now divide by 1575, divide by 7. Divide by 7 is 7 2 ja and 7 2 ja. Now find the factor. Factor will be aspect the 7, 5 into 5, make the pair 3 square and 5 square. Write in one box 3 into 5. After multiply 3 5 ja 15 square. Question number 4. First part is complete. Second part is 9075. Do the factor 9075 divided by 5, 18, 5, 5 3 15, 6 and 3, 3 2 1, 11. Write the factor 3 into 5 into 5, 11 into 11. Make the pair 3, not make a pair. Divide by 3. Number, make a perfect square. Now divide by 9. New number will divide by 3. After divide 30 25. Do the factor. Factor will 5 into 5 and 11 into 11. Make the pair 5 square into 11 square. Write the one bracket 5 into 11. After multiply 55 square. Question number 4. You can do this type. Thank you.